Morning everyone, it's Mike from Usually Broken Cars. It's 5:30 in the morning. I'm waiting for Mike to come and pick me up. We are off to the drivers collection show at the Magna. It's about 120 miles and we're going to go meet up with the other boys at McDonald's. So yeah, hopefully Mike will be here soon, and yeah, let's get on with it. So I've been stood here for like 10 minutes in the freezing cold waiting for Mike, and it sounds like he's finally coming down the estate. We'll see. This is today's ride. I've been out here like 20 minutes. So we've just picked up Sam, he's ahead of us in the satellite, so we're going to go and meet the other guys on the motorway, and I think, yeah, we should hopefully catch up to them soon. Then we've got a solid 2 hours ahead of us. Right, so yeah, we had a pretty long drive ahead of us. Got some nice rollers of the guys' cars, and the sun was absolutely beaming that morning. Beautiful day. You could not have 3 different cars.
No, I said that on the way up here. I said there's nothing that's even slightly similar.
It's fantastic.
Super no pants.
Quick stop on the services for some breakfast, and then back on the road. Always cool to see something nice on the road on the way to the same show as you. I got to hand it to the guys that put on the show. It was such an awesome venue. I'd never heard of the place, but like an old metal foundry or something like that, and it was just a really cool site, and you could see all the old machinery and stuff used to move the metals about. Right, so we made it, we're here, 130 miles, but we're at the Magna Park in Rotherham. They all talk a bit weird up here, but yeah, so good turnout already. We're going to go and have a wander and see what we can find. Look at the number plate, sorry, the Instagram tag. They moved that when you got married. That's because they knew that you were, that's it, he's married now, somebody else's responsibility. Brilliant number plate on the S14, possibly my favourite set of wheels of all time. They look fantastic on that car. Lovely bit of kit. I do love an SSR mesh as well. That's a big shift knob. I'm feeling distinctly lighter. Oh, you've a look in the back seat. My reflection is of you getting all horny over a Playboy. Oh, and it's got a 924 glove box. Yeah. So just to reiterate, the drivers collection, the peeps that work there or run the club did a fantastic job, and this is inside some of the old foundry, and it just is such a good setting for it. What is it? Yes. Yeah, and it was like proper squeeze, wasn't it? Bit of butter. Oh. Blanket. So this was the sort of main hall, and real top tier cars in here and real showpieces, and they also did the awards and stuff at the end of the day in this hall as well.
Now you can understand why we're outside.
So come over,
Oh, Mike. Like 3,000 or 4,000 euros. Oh, I think they look great now. I mean, love, yeah. Yeah, you go over to on holiday to Spain, and they were everywhere.
Sunrise is just for you, so come along and take my hand.
Lovely Mogans on it. Oh, look at the hanging up. It's really cool.
So after a long day, really great event. Again, props to the guys and girls that ran it. We decided to set off just because of the length of the drive to get home, and yeah, we spent a great day up in Rotherham, and look forward to definitely going again next year. And hopefully next year will be a few more of us going. Unfortunately, we spent far too much time here though.
So we're now in the satellite with Sam. Hello. Hello. So we're going to get a few rollies of Mike.
Thanks to everybody for watching the video. Do really appreciate it. Do me a favour, subscribe if you can, and like the video, and leave a comment of your favourite car. Thanks again.